Today you will learn how to transfer files from an iPhone to an Android device. Okay, we are going to concentrate on how to do this files transfer with photos and videos. So let's get started. On your iPhone, open your App Store and install Xender. So search for Xender and install it. It has shown up in the search result. Then I will tap install. Then on your Android device, open your Play Store app. Search for Xender and install it as well. After the installation of the Xender app on the two devices, open it on the iPhone and on the Android. On the iPhone, allow Xender to send you notifications. So tap on allow. Then tap on allow again. Tap allow. So allow any question, anything you are asked of. Okay. On the Android, tap on agree and continue. Tap allow. So allow it permission to access your photos or any other part of the Android device. Okay. Please ensure that both devices have their battery charged to at least 60%. Okay. On the iPhone, turn on the Wi-Fi functionality. Okay. So I'll swipe down and then tap on this for it to be enabled. Okay. So get back to the app. After turning the Wi-Fi on the iPhone, tap the images tab because here I want us to send images first. Okay. Then allow full access. This displays the pictures I have on my iPhone. So tap on that circle icon on anyone you want to transfer. Okay. So once you tap on that circle icon on the image, it's going to be selected. As you can see, this has been selected from my own end. So tap send button. Select the option connect Android because we want to send to an Android device. Tap allow. On the Android device, tap on the share icon, which is the two arrows, the arrows that crosses each other. Okay. Select send. Select continue. Under grant location permission, tap on setup. Select allow. Then tap next button. Okay, with your iPhone, scan the barcode on the Android. Tap join. Obtaining local IP. So this image will be transferred in no distant time. It's done. To see if this photo we transferred is really on the Android, tap on the history icon, which is at the top left. Okay. You can see the image we just transferred, the photo. Okay. If you get to the home screen of your phone, you can open the gallery and you will see that same picture there. Okay. And here is the image. Okay. Here is it. It's as simple as that. So let's go learn how you can transfer video. To transfer video from an iPhone to an Android, still be on the Xender interface. Okay. Then tap on the fourth icon at the top of the iPhone. This icon displays the videos you have already recorded on your iPhone. Okay. So tap on the circle icon, which will make the video you want to select, which will make the video you want to transfer to be selected. So select the video by tapping on that circle icon. So here, let me work with this last one. So I'll tap on that. As the video is selected, tap send. On your Android, you will receive the video file because we have already established connection when we were transferring the photo. Okay, so tap on the history icon to see if the video has been delivered, and you can see the video is here. I can get to the home and then tap the gallery to know if it's really a video. So tap the gallery. At the gallery, under the video category, you can see a preview of the video. So let me tap for it to open fully. And here is the video we just sent. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing by hitting that subscribe button so that anytime I publish new videos, you will get notifications on them. You need to learn more on tech because everything revolves around tech in our world of today, okay? Hit that like button for me and leave a comment in the comment section. You can also watch this video to learn more. See you next time.